Let's see how we could interact between multiple forms. I create two forms, 1 and 2. On the first user form, I create a command button. Allow me to bring toolbox. Command button, let's say next. And I could use larger than and go to second form, double click and resize maybe to be obvious. Another button here, let's say previous and something like that. Okay, actually, part of that, how to show the form. We called a form to show on the macros. It is similar. I could double click on my first form, double click on that. Let's say user form 2 dot show. Simply, let's run and check. Form 1, next. And note that when I say show the previous one, it is still on the screen, although it is not active, but it is exists. Allow me to close it, and as you see, the macro didn't finish, so I have to close all forms. And for second one, also I could say show the first one, but before that, let's hide the first. So I said user form 1 dot hide. We could hide it, and with show, of course, we could show it. Allow me to run it. Next, there it is. And as you see, although I said hide my user form 1, it still exists here, because the order is very important. First, it is showing this one, and then it is not hiding that, because we went to the second form, and the second form running the code. If I close that, immediately gonna close the first one too. So the order, it is very important. You have to first hide your current form. Allow me to cut it and paste here, and then show the next one. That's the correct order, because after going inside of second form, the next codes won't run. So first hide current form and then show the next one. Run again, next, there it is, there is no, and of course I didn't enter any code here. Let's do that exactly opposite for second form. Inside of form 2, double click, here, double click. First hide the current form, user form 2 dot hide, and user form 1 dot show. Okay, let's try. Previous one, next one. Because I was in second form, after clicking on the run or F5, this form already ran, but I could enable first one, next, previous. And here, there is no form. So it's very simple. Hide the current form and then show the second one.